my dear students, and welcome back. Today we are going to deal with loss of biodiversity or extinction. And before really getting started with the factors that lead to species extinction or loss of biodiversity, we should first of all have some brief knowledge of extinction, and then later on in the next part we will discuss the factors leading to extinction. Okay. You know that the current state of biodiversity is there. You have rich collection of living organisms on the surface of Earth. It's only possible when evolution has started millions of years back. That means it has taken life millions of years to reach the current state. You have a diversified collection of living organisms. It is only possible because of evolution. And we also know that life diversity is essential for our existence and survival. But unfortunately, for a number of reasons, we are currently losing biodiversity at a tremendous rate, and if the current rates of species losses continue, in less than 2 centuries, we are going to lose the whole wealth of biodiversity. And for that reason, biodiversity loss and its conservation, they are regarded as the vital environmental issues of international concern, and a growing number of people they are currently understanding the critical essentiality, the critical importance of biodiversity in our survival and well-being. Okay, so let's move on with extinction. What extinction exactly means? It is the complete disappearance of a species from the surface of the earth. When it is last surviving member, it dies. Okay, and species of both plants and animals, they are disappearing from the face of earth by the process of extinction. And when a species gets extinct, it is gene pool, its genetic constitution is lost once for all. When the last member of a species dies, we can say that we have lost the genetic pool of that species, we have lost the genetic constitution of that species. And according to some estimates, according to some records, okay, about 24% of mammals and 12% of birds, they are facing a risk of extinction. They are at risk of extinction. These two taxonomy groups, they show the highest risk of extinction. First of all, mammals and then birds. Say for example, you are having 100 mammals. Out of these 100 mammals, 24 are facing the risk of extinction, and same is the case with birds. Out of 100 birds, for example, 12 are facing the risk of extinction. Okay, now the types of extinction. Broadly speaking, you have three different types of extinction. Natural extinction, this is also known as background extinction, and it occurs due to natural changes in environmental conditions. And when one species gets extinct because it cannot cope up with the changing environmental conditions, another species evolves and takes its place. Okay, and all the species, they do not face the same threat of extinction, they do not have the same probability of extinction. Usually small populations, they are more prone to extinction because of a number of reasons. For example, you have inbreeding, depression, and you have fluctuations in numbers during unfavorable climatic conditions. Okay, in small populations you are having a limited number of individuals, and when you have limited number of individuals, inbreeding takes place. Inbreeding means mating between close relatives, and this mating between close relatives is known as inbreeding. Okay, and inbreeding is associated with a type of depression which is known as inbreeding depression. असल में होता क्या है, when two closely related individuals they mate, some recessive deleterious alleles they become expressive, and because of their expression the offspring dies. Okay, this further decreases the population size. And when you have two populations, one population is having large number of individuals, say for example 100 individuals, and second population is having 10 individuals, the chances that all the 10 individuals will be lost, it is high when a calamity prevails, as compared to when you have 100 individuals. Okay, and the average rate of background extinction over the past 2 million years is 1 to 2 species per year. Per year you are losing 1 to 2 species due to natural extinction. Okay, now the next type is mass extinction. Mass extinction simply means large scale extinction of species due to natural calamities, and these calamities can be like you have excessive cooling of the earth's surface, striking of meteorites. There are many other reasons. Okay, when a large number of species are lost in a small span of time, this is known as mass extinction. And mass extinction has occurred 5 times in the Earth's geological history. That means from the time when Earth came into existence, mass extinction has taken place 5 times. Okay, the extinction of dinosaurs and many other species which occurred between Cretaceous and Tertiary periods is an example of mass extinction. That means the extinction of dinosaurs and other related species, okay, and other species which existed with dinosaurs at that time, their extinction is believed to have occurred as a consequence of some natural calamity, and this is a specific example of mass extinction. Okay, now the final one is anthropogenic extinction. Extinction of species which occurs due to human activities, like you have hunting, habitat destruction, pollution, or exploitation. All these factors, they result in this extinction of species, which is known as anthropogenic extinction. Okay, for example, you have extinction of dodo, which is a bird. Okay, it has got extinct due to human activities, and Indian cheetah, it has also got extinct because of human related activities. And this type of extinction is more severe at as it occurs within a short period of time at an alarming rate. The extinction caused by humans, it is more dangerous, it is tremendously dangerous because it occurs within a short period of time and more number of species are getting lost. Okay, the rate of loss of species is tremendous. The current rate of extinction due to anthropogenic activities is 100 to 1000 times faster than the background extinction rate. Okay, you have to remember this fact. Earth perhaps is heading for the sixth mass extinction, which would be caused by human activities. The sixth mass extinction is predicted, and this mass extinction is believed to be caused by the human related activities. Okay, this is all about extinction, and in the next part, inshallah, we will be discussing the factors that lead to loss of biodiversity or extinction, you can say. Okay, till then, God bless you and thank you all.